Elephants are large, intelligent, and social mammals that are found in Africa and Asia. They are the largest land animals on Earth, with adult males, bulls, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds, and standing up to 3.5 meters, 11 feet, tall at the shoulder. Elephants have several distinctive features, including their long trunks, large ears, and tusks. The trunk is a combination of their upper lip and nose, and it is used for a variety of purposes, including breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and making sounds. Their large ears are used to cool themselves down in hot weather and for communication with other elephants. Tusks are elongated incisor teeth that are used for defense, digging for water, and stripping bark from trees. Elephants are herbivores, and they eat a wide variety of plant material, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits. They are also known to travel long distances in search of food and water. Elephants are highly social animals and live in groups called herds, which are typically led by a matriarch, an older female elephant. The matriarch is responsible for leading the herd to food and water sources, and for making decisions about where the herd will travel. Elephants are known for their strong family bonds, and members of the herd will often stay together for their entire lives. Elephants have played an important role in human culture for thousands of years, appearing in art, religion, and mythology. Unfortunately, elephants are also threatened by habitat loss, poaching for their ivory tusks, and human-elephant conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect elephants and their habitats, but much more work is needed to ensure their survival in the wild. One notable case study related to elephants is the African Elephant Conservation Program, which was launched in 1989 by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES. The goal of the program is to address the poaching of African elephants for their ivory tusks, which had led to a significant decline in elephant populations in many parts of Africa. As part of the program, CITES banned the international trade in ivory in 1989, and many countries implemented their own domestic bans on ivory trade as well. This helped to reduce demand for ivory and curb poaching in some areas, but the problem persisted in others. To address this, the African Elephant Conservation Program also focused on strengthening law enforcement efforts to combat poaching, as well as promoting the use of alternative livelihoods for communities living near elephant habitats. By providing economic incentives for these communities to engage in sustainable practices, such as ecotourism and agriculture, the program aimed to reduce the pressure on elephant habitats and prevent human-elephant conflicts. Another key aspect of the program was the development of a system for monitoring elephant populations and illegal trade in ivory. This involved the use of aerial surveys, DNA analysis, and other methods to track elephant populations and identify the source of seized ivory. Overall, the African Elephant Conservation Program has been successful in some areas in reducing poaching and protecting elephant populations. However, the threat to elephants still persists in many parts of Africa, and continued efforts are needed to ensure their survival.